In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney, not working, imagine prompt, not working. If your /imagine command isn't responding, let's walk through a clear checklist to get you generating images again quickly. First, rule out platform issues. Sometimes it's not you, services can go down. Check for server outages or maintenance affecting Midjourney or Discord. If there's an active incident, waiting is the best move, and trying again later usually resolves it. If everything looks normal, double check your command in text. Make sure you're actually typing /imagine spelled correctly and placing your cursor in the message field. Typos or stray characters can stop the command from triggering. Next, confirm you're using the bot properly. Use an approved Midjourney channel, a server where the bot is available, or a direct message to the bot. If a channel has bot usage restricted or you lack permissions to post attachments, the command can fail silently. Here's a small but important input tip. Type /imagine and press spacebar or tab twice. You should see a prompt box appear. If it doesn't, backspace, retype /imagine, and try the double press again until the prompt field is visible. Be mindful of content rules. If your prompt includes banned, flagged, or NSFW terms, it will fail immediately. Rephrase sensitive words using neutral descriptive language. Think of the subject, style, and setting without using restricted terminology. Keep your prompt simple and focused. Extremely long, complex paragraphs can confuse the model and reduce reliability. Start with a clear core description, subject, style, and mood, and build from there with iterative tweaks rather than one massive block of text. If you're using an image prompt, don't paste only an image link. Always include descriptive words alongside the link or attached image. For example, add a short description of the subject, style, or lighting to guide the result. If you're on Discord and things still aren't working, consider small app hiccups. Switching to another channel and back, updating the app, or restarting Discord can restore /command behavior. Also, make sure /commands are enabled in your Discord client. Finally, check your subscription status, ensure your plan is active, you're signed into the correct account, and you haven't exhausted your fast or relaxed time. When a subscription lapses or hours run out, prompts won't process. Work through these checks in order, and in most cases, your /imagine prompt will spring back to life. If you've verified everything and it still doesn't run, it's likely a temporary service hiccup. Give it a little time and try again.